welcome to the sixth step of finishing a hole in your ceiling, such as a skylight or a swamp cooler access that you didn't want there anymore, or maybe you moved a light fixture. Whatever the case may be, you need to know how to finish it. So in this step, my friends, we're going to spray some texture on, and we're going to get started right now. Okay, my friends, as you can tell, I've done some prep work up there. I've already done my final sanding coat up there. And I've put some plastic on the wall up there to protect my wall, my trim work. And I've also put some masking tape over that outlet up there. So as tall as I am, I think I can probably spray this right where I'm at. I'm going to turn the camera up just a little bit so you can watch what I'm doing here. There you go. I'm using ceiling texture, pro grade popcorn texture out of a bottle. And you got to shake it up for a while. And then let's see if we can put it on. I'm going to start towards the wall and work myself back up. I'm going to use some safety glasses. As you can tell, it's going to bunch up and kind of splatter, so you want to wash the tip out and keep shaking it. As you can tell, I've got a good area started there. Always shake it. Okay, I'm going to stop and clean my tip again. I would say I got about half of it done. Shake a little bit more. Always want to look for some lighter spots, but let's get the main thing finished. Hope I'm not running out. I think I'm running out. Makes a real big mess. Yep, it's not spraying no more, so it means it's empty. The aerosol's not working. And my friends, I'll have to go to Walmart and purchase another bottle of that here after a while, and I'll be back here in a few minutes for your time, and I'll finish that up, and then I'll put you a little closer to the project so you can see how I'm going to blend that in. It's a little bit big and globbed in there, but we'll fix that. So give me about 10 seconds. I'll be right back. Well, my friends, I'm back with my second bottle of the same sealing texture. Just to shake it for 1 full minute after you hear that ball start to roll around in there. And it says do a light, quick, rapid movement and hold it 20 to 30 inches away. 20 to 30 inches away is 2.5 feet. I don't know if I needed that much. Anyway, I'm just doing some touch-ups to this area, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to kind of blend it in so it gets a little bit better looking up there. So let's get started here. Alright, my friends, I'm going to shake it some more and wash the tip again. And as you can tell, that came out a lot better because it's a new bottle, but it's thicker than the original coat that's up there. And as soon as I'm done spraying it really good, I'm going to put the camera up there in the corner so you can see kind of how it looks again. But I'm going to check it for light spots, low spots that I might want to put some more on. All right, my friends, I think that's going to work. I'm going to let that dry, and then I'll clean up my overspray mess, and then I will get up there on the ladder, and I'll move the camera a little closer so you can see kind of what I'm going to do to blend the size of the texture in. So I'll be right back. All right, my friends, here I am. Got you up on the shelf here by the ladder, and a lot of people always want to know what's that pink thing back there. That's a monkey, and he hangs from the dining room table chandelier. And there's a saying that sometimes you got to get the monkeys off your back. So he's a representation of the monkeys that we have to deal with. So back to this blending in process. You'll see here what I'm doing here. I'm going to change the angle of the camera so you can look up with me here. As you can tell, my friends, that's the texture area. I'm using this thing and basically going around and just feathering off the edges to start with to blend them in. And basically I'm just trying to make it small to join up. This stuff is a little bit more finer. It was painted over. But as I roll this into it, it's actually forming a pretty good blend, I think. You didn't want to leave those things down and creating a big problem. So you can roll over them, and just like knocking down the mud, you want to wait until it's pretty much dry, and you can go in here and knock these areas down. And then it'll kind of blend in. As you can tell, it's pretty much blended in with what we got going on here. And if there's any areas that we don't like, we can go and sand them down a little bit, or we can put some more texture in some areas. But I'm kind of liking this. I'm thinking it just kind of all blending in pretty good. I would really have to stare at it from the ground to see that there was ever a hole there. So my friends, if you do a good job and you take the time to do it correctly, you won't even see the seam in there. And I was worried about this seam that was up here. And as you can tell, my friends, it's pretty much disappeared. Let me grab the camera and just give you a 360-degree turn as you look around this joint. I think it looks pretty good. You can see the electrical tape over the box. My friends, that's pretty much a patch in there. Let me get down off of my ladder so you can kind of see it from a distance. You're seeing some moisture in there, but my friends, I think that's pretty good. So my friends, I want to thank you for watching this little section. This is applying the texture coat, and we're going to come back in step number 7, and we're actually going to wire that electrical outlet up there. I'll do that in step 7, and we'll put a cover plate over it, and I'll get my wife's opinion on what she thinks about it when she returns home. She's actually away right now, and I miss her really bad. So God bless until we meet again in step 7.